Interlocutor R.N. Ravi holds back-to-back talks with the working committee of the 7 NAGA national political groups and the NSCN-IM on Tuesday. A senior member of the WC informed that its leadership was scheduled to formally sit down with Ravi on October 29 at 11 a.m., media reported. Talks between the Government of India and the NSCN-IM continued on October 28 without any breakthrough in the stalemate over the issue of separate NAGA flag and constitution. The NAGA national political groups NNPGS has denied compromising with the demand for NAGA flag and constitution. The working committee of NNPGS on Monday, in a statement, said to brand it as having forfeited the demands for NAGA flag or constitution is bereft of truth, according to a media report. NINGOL CHAKOUBA, one of the biggest festivals of the state of Manipur, is being celebrated today with great fervor. It is celebrated on the second day of Manipuri lunar month of Hyanggai. Married sisters and daughters were invited to parental house for a grand feast to celebrate the festivals. In connection with the festival, the Directorate of Fisheries and Staff Manipur organized a one-day fish fair cum fish crop competition 2019 at DM College of Arts Ground, IMPHAL. United People's Front UPF and Indigenous Minority Organization Manipur today celebrated NINGOL CHAKOUBA with married women from both the hills and valley at Iboyama Sumanglila Sanglen, IMPHAL. Titular King of Manipur, lamjingbatomtv attended the celebration. A major fire destroyed a house last night at Sagolban, Pukhrambam Leirak in IMPHAL West. It is said that the bursting of firecrackers triggered the blaze. Properties worth around Rs 4 lakhs were destroyed in the house fire that occurred around 10 p.m. A man was found dead at NAMBOL, LAITONJAM under BISHNUPUR district this morning. Identity of the deceased is yet to be ascertained, according to a report. Apunba Nupilo, BISHNUPUR also celebrated NINGOL CHAKOUBA festival at Kiamba, Ningsing Sanglen, BISHNUPUR district. Married women from BISHNUPUR, Kangpopi, Senapati and Churachandpur were present at the event. President Ramnath Kovind on Tuesday approved the appointment of Justice Sarath Arvind Bobde as the present Chief Justice of India, CJI Ranjan Gogoi's successor, with Gogoi stepping down as the 46th CJI on November 17 next. Bobde will now take over the reign as the 47th CJI. The Kokomi-led protests in Manipur enter its 7th day today. Lamlong Bajar in IMPHAL East witnessed a sit-in protest. Lamlong Bajar in IMPHAL East witnessed a sit-in protest. At Lilong, MMWO organized a public alert rally. Leaders of the organization also submitted a memorandum to Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh, demanded that there shall not be territorial changes in the upcoming Indo-Naga peace deal. Effectively ruling out a 50-50 power-sharing formula with ally SENA, Devendra Fadnavis Tuesday said that he will be Maharashtra Chief Minister for another 5 years, media reported. He added that the SENA was not promised the CM's post for 2.5 years during pre-poll negotiations. The U.S. Ambassador to India, Kenneth I. Juster, on Monday said the U.S. would fund to upgrade more health centers with modern technologies in Arunachal Pradesh, media report said. While speaking at the 7th Tawang Festival 2019 beginning on Monday, Juster said the U.S. has been funding Arunachal Pradesh in improving the health sector. The rise in water level due to rains in the area has affected train running since Sunday evening, resulting in many trains being diverted, cancelled or short-terminated from Monday, media reports said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday reached Riyadh city to attend the Third Future Investment Initiative Forum, according to media reports. He is on a day trip to the nation. Modi was greeted by the Governor of Riyadh, Prince Faisal bin Bandar Al Saud. Modi will attend other programs during his visit to the country.